Hey everyone, welcome back. There's been a buzz around vibe coding. You will see videos floating around claiming that these tools like Cursor or any other AI tool are going to take over developers' job. But let me tell you one thing, these claims are not 100% true. So let's see what Google says about vibe coding. So, uh, yeah. So vibe coding refers to a new approach to software development where AI tools like large language models are used to generate code based on user prompts. So whatever input you are giving, right? Focus on manual coding to guiding and refining the AI generated output. So this is what vibe coding is. And you are doing this for years, right? But now the question is, who are making these statements? Either they haven't worked on complex projects or they are new to the industry. This vibe coding concept is nothing new. If you are using tools like GitHub Copilot or ChatGPT for the past few years, you are already been doing something very similar. These tools assist you. They help fixing small issues, generate functions or help with logic, but they are not building your entire project. Like for example, you are doing some project and I'm taking the basic example, and you need to merge two arrays, and for example, Node.js, or and you just give a prompt to ChatGPT or Copilot. It will give you the script, it will give you the script how to merge two arrays, one kind of function that you can clean up and reuse it in your code. This is how you are using it. But that's where people are getting it wrong. Let me explain this through a diagram, how what you are doing in current scenario. So I'll explain vibe coding in terms of when you're using ChatGPT or Copilot. So as a user, you have a editor, any editor. For example, you are using VS Code. Then you need a function that is going to merge two arrays. So what you will do, you will go to some tool. This is user again. Tools like Chat GPT or Copilot. Right? So what this tool will do, it will go to LLM, and LLM again will do the next prediction. Internally, this is what it will do, and finally, you will get the response, and same response you will use in your tool. Right? So this is what you're doing manually as of now. And coming to the cursor editor or any AI editor, so it's good. It has inbuilt prompting and code generation, which makes things quicker. But the difference is minor. It's just like having an integrated assistant inside your editor or IDE, whichever you are using, rather than using Copilot or ChatGPT separately. Well, let me explain it through a diagram. So you are here as a user, and this is your AI editor. So what is AI editor? You will pass your prompts here. Then it will connect to LLMs, and then it will generate next word predictions. Then it will give back the response to LLM. Then LLM again generate a next word prediction. So I will just put some dot here to make sure it's happening in loop. Then finally, LLM will send the response back to your AI editor, and AI editor will generate your code and your skeleton, whichever you have requested as part of the prompt. That's what you get in your editor, and you deploy it. So if you see from high level, it is the same thing you are doing as independently using your VS Code. In VS Code, you are just using LLM tools separately, like ChatGPT or Copilot, instead of using the integrated LLM. So more or less, it is same, and you are using it for years. So, but there's a catch now. When people are saying that these tools are going to take your job, you are an experienced developer. If you are an experienced developer, you know how to use these tools wisely and what to accept, what to ignore and discard, and where to clean up, right? So you can refactor it and you can use it in your code based on your requirement. But if you depend on it completely, thinking it will do everything for you, it is a disaster to happen. That's why I say treat these tools like assistants and not replacements. They are here to enhance your productivity, uh, not take your roles or job. Uh, Also remember, these tools work on predictions and training data. They are not 100% accurate. Often you will find the generated code bloated or completely useless in some context. You still need to clean it up and you need to filter it out. You have to rename it and refactor it accordingly. What what the code base you have. Now, here's the most important part: the flashy videos and false claims are misleading new graduates and freshers uh, who are just entering the industry or who are just in the final years. Actually. So, if you are a student or junior developer, please don't fall into this trap. Focus on your fundamentals. Learn the core skill properly, be it Python, JavaScript, Node.js, or whatever the tech stack you are into. Master the basic first so you control the tools, not the other way around. Only when you understand the core concepts will you able to guide these AI tools effectively. Otherwise, you are just blindly following the core suggestions without any real understanding, or blindly automated code is not sustainable. So, in short, don't get carried away by buzzwords. Yes, generative AI is exciting, and there are so many things happening, and future is definitely exciting, and the future holds a lot. But in the present, your job is to build your own skill set, understand the foundation, and use AI tool wisely. So, for new graduates and fresh, I would say don't use AI editor in starting. I would suggest use your VS editor or any editor you are using, any ID. Write your code, feel it, how you are doing it, like how you are managing from one step to another step, how you are like connecting wires in your code, like the same way how you play chess, right? You get ready with the moves in your mind, and then you execute it. The same way you have to same way you have to do it in your coding. So, and once you feel how to do it, and definitely you can use AI editors. That's it for now. Stay focused, stay sharp, and don't let the noise distract your building real skills. Just keep learning, and thank you for watching.